Get ready, because what I'm about to tell you will blow your mind. Google is gearing up to launch the all-new Pixel 10 Pro, and this phone is not just an upgrade. It's a complete redefinition of what a smartphone can be. So stay tuned, because some of its features might actually surprise you. The Pixel 10 Pro is rumored to arrive with Google's most powerful chip yet, the Tensor G5, built on cutting-edge 3nm technology, designed to deliver lightning-fast performance while using less power, making multitasking smoother than ever before and gaming more immersive with no lag at all. But that's just the start. The phone is packed with AI-driven features that take customization and usability to another level, from smarter voice recognition to real-time photo editing where you can literally erase objects, adjust lighting, or even change backgrounds instantly, giving you pro-level control in the palm of your hand. The display is expected to be a stunning 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with 2K resolution and up to 144 Hz refresh rate, making everything look buttery smooth, from scrolling social feeds to watching your favorite movies. And yes, it even adapts dynamically to save battery life when you don't need that high refresh rate. Speaking of battery, Google is rumored to pack in a massive 5,500 mAh unit with ultra-fast 100W wired charging and 50W wireless charging, meaning you can power up in minutes instead of hours, and with smarter AI battery optimization. This phone promises to last you through the busiest days without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk about cameras. The Pixel series has always been known for photography, but the Pixel 10 Pro is stepping into another league with its 200MP main sensor, an upgraded periscope telephoto lens with up to 10x optical zoom, and an ultra-wide lens built for detailed landscapes, plus the new AI Cinematic Mode 2.0 that delivers Hollywood-like video stabilization and depth effects that look straight out of a movie. Imagine taking a night shot and having it look like it was captured in daylight, or recording in 8K and still being able to zoom without losing detail. That's the level Google is aiming for. But here's the twist. The Pixel 10 Pro isn't just about raw specs, it's about experiences. AI will help you organize your life, recommend the best apps for your needs, and even assist with on-device translations and voice calls in real time, making it the perfect blend of performance and intelligence. The launch is expected around October 2025, and while the official price hasn't been confirmed yet, industry insiders believe it will be very competitive considering all the insane features packed inside. Now, here's where the suspense kicks in. Google is rumored to include a hidden surprise feature that hasn't been officially revealed yet, and leaks suggest it could be something like an AI-powered holographic assistant or even an advanced satellite connectivity option, meaning this phone could connect you anywhere in the world without traditional networks, but we'll only know for sure at launch. Imagine pulling out your phone and having a holographic AI pop up to guide you. Crazy, right? And that's why the Pixel 10 Pro might be the most talked about phone of the year. So if you're thinking of upgrading, this might just be the device worth waiting for. And here's a special surprise for those of you who stayed until the very end. Google is rumored to drop an exclusive limited edition Pixel 10 Pro color variant that won't be announced publicly until launch day. So if you're planning to grab this phone, keep your eyes open, because it might be available only for early buyers. That makes being an early adopter even more exciting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.